Sound check. And live once again mga ka-Asenso. There is Asenso covered court. It's our first Mayor Sammy Co Asenso Barangay Cup. Third game sa atong Urban Division Games. It's Barangay Dao versus Barangay Santa Maria. Gilyar firing from downtown. No good. And Torres knocks down the first score for Barangay Santa Maria. Lapay now to Gilyar. Tura for three. Bang! Nothing but the net by Tura. Dagger three-pointer from downtown. And Kabantak, bumawi ng tres si Kabantak for Barangay Santa Maria. Karitan, Tura again, bang! Tura with his back-to-back three-pointer. Now to Torres. And pasa. Uy, pasa. Ingon pasa. Ni shot man lagi. Isa pang tres. Bang! Back to back to back. Three-pointer for Tura. Tura 3 of 3 from downtown. Magluwid steals the ball. Tura again. Yes, sir! 11 straight points for Tura. Hindi pa pumapalyar si Tura for this game. And Torres hitting that follow-up. Tied at 11. Gilyar stops inside to the number 14, and a timeout called by Barangay Santa Maria. Trigo pick. Ball stolen by number 15. Advanced passing. Wakaapa si Tura. 13-11 ang score. Torres steps back. Fade away. Karitan. Pass break pass. Para kay Balukan. And Balukan lays it up for Barangay Dao. Extending their lead to 4. De Los Santos. What a nice fake by De Los Santos. Pinoy step, classic na classic. Tura umatake, passing it to Magaluwid, and Magaluwid is fouled. Tura to Karitan, to Tura for 3. Bang! 4 straight 3 points for Tura. Wow, Tura cannot miss tonight. Mendez to Cabantac. And no good. Mendez with a follow. Tura 4 of 4 from downtown. Tura unable to catch that pass. That's why he's called the sniper. Juanes, the sniper Tura of Barangay Dao. Three-point lead. Mendez for three. Missing it. Balukan with a rebound. Now to Tura, long three. And finally missing it this time. De Los Santos. Bump. Offensive foul called against De Los Santos. Four for 5 for Tura. From beyond the arc, Kabungkag. Now to Tura sa gitna. Bounce it off the rim and it's good. 5 of 6. No, 5 of 6. Big percentage si Tura sa shooting. Oy. Cabantac now to De Los Santos. Nabitawan pa. Almost stolen by Balukan. Cabantac for 3. Bang! Cabantac from the wing. Nahanap po tayo pang highlights. Ano yun niya? Sa Ascenso Sports Highlights. Tura lays it up off the glass. No good. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Santa Maria. Out of bounds. Torres to De Los Santos to Mendez. Traveling violation by Mendez. Kabungkal. Kabungkag na. Balukan. Balik. De Los Santos strip the ball. Out of bounds. Cabantac against Balukan. At may pito na itinawag against Balukan. Foul number 17. Balukan. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 14, Umararo. Isa ni number 14, Magbanwa. Foul number 19. Foul call against Kabungkag. Unsa din eh, Kabungkag si number 20, si number 19. Number 19, unsa ni? Kabungkag, adoha sila. Offensive foul called against Mendez. Pangalawang offensive foul ni Mendez. Now to Magaluwid. Umatake to Kabungkag from the mid-range. De Los Santos to Mendez. Attacking. Ayun, may foul called against Magaluwid. Foul number 21. Mendez, corner 3. Short. Torres with the rebound. Ball stripped from his hands. Now stolen by Balukan. All the way. Yes, sir. By Balukan. Tumingin pa sa kalaban si Balukan. Mendez behind the back pass para kay De Los Santos. Corner 3. Bang! De Los Santos with a 3-point shot from the corner side. For Barangay Santa Maria. Now to Magaluwid against Magbanwa. Magaluwid almost lost the ball. Ramirez to Kabungkag. Inside feed to Kabungkag. Di makapasok. Falls away. No good. Rebounded now by De Los Santos. 2 against 1. De Los Santos sidestep. Basket. At may kasama pang foul for De Los Santos. De Los Santos unable to unable to make that complete the 3-point play. Ramirez bounce pass para kay Kabungkag, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Santa Maria. Shout out ko sa nag-inusara diha sa live kaluoy. Aduhan mo ni DJ Jabs. Mendez, 43 seconds. Torres to Kabanta, corner 3. No good. Magaluwid wins the rebound. Passing ito Kabungkag. Ball stolen by Torres. De Los Santos fakes, drives. Offensive foul against De Los Santos. Kita kayo yun. Kita kayo imong offensive. Maski diri nga side. Kaya wala to nimo bangga eh. Di ka batawag ang offensive. Buwapo na ta kayo yung fake drive. 20 seconds remaining in the game clock. Magaluwid for 3. And no good. Kabungkag. And ayaw pa rin. Kabungkag is fouled by De Los Santos. Landing zone. Mga bagong rules karon sa FIBA, no? Landing zone na foul. Missing both free throw for Kabungkag. Ball stolen now by Torres. And that's the end of our first quarter. 26-23. Dao up by 3. (26-23), Dao up by 3. Esparraguera, bakante sa 3, can't get it to go. Ball saved, now to Lapay, to Gilyar sa gitna, still shot missed. Rebounded now by Torres. Torres, what an air walking there by Torres. Another offensive foul for Barangay Santa Maria, this time by number 23. Kargado mag-offensive ang Santa Maria karon. What happened? Esparraguera to Lapay, bakante for 3. And short. Ayun, foul call against Lapay. Mendez has the ball. Di makalusot. Ayun, nakalusot. Force shot, no good. Offensive rebound by Mendez for 3. No good. Giliar with the ball. Now to Lapay against Mendez. Lapay, what a nice rebound there by Mendez. And a defensive play against Lapay. De Los Santos na bakante. Good defense by Mendez, no, not able to commit a foul. Giliar, and missing it again. Number 22 with a rebound. Lapay, mid-range, short. Torres with a rebound. Fast break pass para kay De Los Santos. Aba, hinabol Esparraguera. But De Los Santos with an easy layup. Santa Maria now up by 1. Giliar to number 22 sa gitna. Jimenez, no good. Another rebound for Torres. 5 rebounds for this quarter. Ball stolen now by Esparraguera. Passing it to Giliar. Di pa nakatingin si Giliar. Balik kay Esparraguera. Balik kay Giliar. Balik kay Esparraguera. Nabitawan. Intercepted by Mendez. De Los Santos for 3. No good. Mendoza off the glass. Short. Isa pa. Ayun, foul call against Esparraguera. Esparraguera. Mendez nailing the wing 3 for Barangay Santa Maria. At napa-time out si Barangay Dao as they trail by 3 points. What a shot by Tura from downtown! Woo! Hot hands for Tura. Magalued umatake. Gets his own rebound, but basket won't count. Galing sa labas. Juanes, the sniper Tura of Barangay Dao, seems to not to... grabe. And Mendez, bumawi naman agad para sa 3 for Barangay Santa Maria. Tura can't seem to miss this time. Isa pa! Bang! Long 3-pointer for Tura. Nag-aalab na mga kamay ni Tura from beyond the arc. Torres nakalusot and is fouled. Karitan. And Karitan committed his first personal foul from 30-foot range. Tura can't seem to miss. Bagay na bagay ang sniper para kay Tura. To number 20, to Balukan. Tura ulit. Now this time, lumapit. Magaluwid, lefty, can't get it to go. Magaluwid with an offensive rebound. To Kabungkag. Nabakante. Balukan. Tumira sa malayo. And muntika na yon. Kabungkag with a rebound. To Karitan. No good. Mendez with a strong rebound. 2 against 2. Nice fake by Mendez. To De Los Santos. Wow! Ang ganda ng fake ni Mendez para kay De Los Santos. Tura to Magaluwid. Driving. Magaluwid is fouled. Basket pa for Magaluwid. But still, Santa Maria is up by 3. Magaluwid now on the line. Trying to complete a 3-point play. And Magaluwid nails it. 35-37. 2-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. 5-minute mark. De Los Santos missing it from way downtown. Mendoza with the rebound. Now to Mendez. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Mendez from the wing side. Gantihan na para sa 3. Between Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Dao. Tura babawi. And missing it this time. Gets another rebound. And no good for that save. Now to Mendez against Balukan. Mendez mananatili sa Barangay Santa Maria ang bola. Santa Maria up by 5. Now to Mendoza. Mendoza. Corner 3 para kay De Los Santos. Pasa! Basket and a foul against a taller defender, Karitan. Ingon pasa. Shoot man lagi. Pasa missing the free throw. Now to Kabungkag. To Balukan. Magaluwid. Tura, corner 3. Air ball. Good effort there for Balukan. Stealing the ball from behind. Kay Mendez. Nice effort for Balukan there. Mendez to Torres. To De Los Santos. Good drive. And there's a foul called against Tura. Ano, number 4. Oh, it's not no foul. 14, Karitan. Braus, Tura na foul. Basket na. De Los Santos. Time out daw sila, time out. Kabungkag to Balukan. Balukan to Magaluwid. Traveling violation. Time out. And a timeout here called by Barangay Santa Maria as they lead by 5 points with 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Umaapoy na first half mga ka-asenso from beyond the arc. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Mendoza, air ball. Naginaingon nga, straight on top pero hiwi lang. Gilyar, Tubalukan, fakes, drives, inside, out of bounds. Santa Maria ball. Mendez to De Los Santos against Balukan. Balik kay Mendez. Good fake. Crossover. Sidestep. Ayun. Sayang. Walang foul. Sayang. Hindi pumasok. Beautiful footwork for Mendez. From fake to crossover to sidestep. The quick change of gravity. A quick change, quick weight shifting, weight shifting. Ang term na ito. Mendez, second throw. And it's good. 37-44, Gilyar. Tumagaluwid. To Gaudia, pumasok, lumos, fast break pass para kay De Los Santos, easy layup for De Los Santos. Gaudia with the ball, to Gilyar against Magbanwa, carrying the ball, violation call against Gaudia. Two minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 37-46. Mendez for three. Bang! Straight kayo. Mendez with a dagger three-pointer. Gilyar to Magaluwid. Cutting the lane. Basket and a foul for Magaluwid. Magaluwid now on the line and will try to complete a three-point play. Magaluwid missing the free throw. Rebounded now by Torres. Now to Mendez. Crossover. Mendez, ball stripped from his hands by Magaluwid. Out of bounds. Nawala doon si Puentes. De Los Santos driving, steps back, in and out. Mendoza is there to get the rebound. And a foul call against Gilyar. Penalty situation for Barangay Dao as Mendoza is on the line, missing his first throw. Second throw, missing it also. Foul against Ramirez.
Personal foul.
Magbanwa nailing the first one. Second throw, no good. Gilyar with the rebound. Now to Fuentes. Fuentes, jumper off the glass, and it's good for Fuentes. Mendez to Torres. Torres, nice faking that pass. Ball stolen by Fuentes. Passing it to number 11. Umatake, Fuentes, same spot. Off the glass, no good this time. Rebounded down by Mendez. Passing it to De Los Santos. Footwork, nice footwork. Ball stripped and stolen. Jacinto, all the way. Almost blocked. Now to Mendoza, behind the back pass. De Los Santos for 3, short. Mendez gets the rebound. Mendez for 3, and short pa rin. And that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. 41-50. High-scoring game this night. 9-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Niundang nag-eskwela? Nag-eskwela. Eskwela Clyde. San Carlos? And back to our ball game, third quarter. Santa Maria up by 9. Mendoza to De Los Santos sa corner. Yes, sir! For De Los Santos! Giliar now to Magaluwid. Umatake, no good. Torres with the rebound. De Los Santos, aatake na naman. Missing it this time. Tapi ka ng bola. Tura wins the rebound. Passing it to Giliar. Giliar to Magaluwid. Isa pa. Yes, sir! For that fadeaway one-hander by Magaluwid. 10 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Maria as Mendoza not hitting that 3 points. Now to Lapay. Lapay nagmamadali. Good feed para kay Magaluwid. Fakes, fires, no good. Lapay, second chance, still ayaw pa rin. Third chance, finally scores for Barangay Dao. Torres. Ball stolen by Giliar. Ayun, foul call against Torres. Humihingi ng sub si Torres.
Torres, second personal foul, versus Dupont.
.46-53. Giliar. Second throw is good. Mendoza now with the ball. To Mendez. Hesitation. Turn around. What a shot by Mendez! Lapay saves the ball at ipinasa para kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos firing from downtown. Missed. Magaluwid tries to do behind the back. Ball strip sa mga kamay ni Magbanwa. Bola para sa Barangay Dao. Lapay, pull-up jumper. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Giliar to Lapay. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Pinamala si Lapay this time. And Lapay is down on the floor. De Los Santos. And De Los Santos is fouled. Good sportsmanship there for Mendez. Not leaving Lapay down on the floor. Actually, he tried to help Lapay. So, saludo para kay Mendez. Mendez, what a crossover! And short lang ang jump shot, sayang. Giliar to Balucan off the glass. Ganda na sana ng crossover ni Mendez. At hindi pa rin makabawi si Mendez. Now to Magaluwid. Magaluwid all the way! Hangs in the air, but basket won't go. And a foul call against De Los Santos. Torres will check in for Pasa. Technical foul called against Ramirez for delaying the game. De Los Santos. Despite heavy traffic, nailing that layup. Kabungkag. Inside to Giliar. Reverse layup. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Dao. And Barangay Dao trailing by 8. Giliar to Esparraguera. Feeding it to Kabungkag. Ramirez is there to save the ball. Six-point lead na lang. Mendoza behind the back against Esparraguera. Now inside to Torres. Nice cut. At sayang, lumabas pa. Giliar. Off the glass. Giliar scores for Barangay Dao. Mendoza all the way. Blocked by Ramirez. Stolen. Traveling violation by De Los Santos. Time out na sila, time out. Time out called by Barangay Santa Maria from 10. And now, 6 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Maria. Esparraguera. Naon sa to? Naon sa to? Ah, basket day. O, kabantay na. 2 puntos na lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Maria. Ramirez umatake for the tie. No good. Mendoza now with the rebound. What a steal by Esparraguera. Foul call against Mendoza. Ang ganda sinabayan ni Esparraguera. Ang pasa ni Mendoza. Swak na swak sa mga kamay ni Esparraguera. 2-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Now Barangay Dao will have a chance to tie the game. Magaluwid attacking, up and under. Magaluwid ties the game at 58. Magaluwid floating in the air. Double clutch. De Los Santos for a crossover. Sidestep. Di nakaangat ang bola. Agawan ang bola. Foul called against Magaluwid. Ball will remain in Barangay Santa Maria. Ganda ng double clutch ni Magaluwid. Torres falls away, finally scores. Fast break pass para kay Esparraguera, 1 against 3. Esparraguera, nice fake. Looking for someone to pass, and he's trapped. Ball stolen from his hands. Now to Magbanwa. Magbanwa na dapa, muntik. Magbanwa, no good for that floater. Torres, second chance. Magbanwa gets the rebound, agawan ang bola. Jump ball, and the ball will go to Barangay Dao. Gilyar. Inside. Traveling violation ba yun? Ooh. Foul called against Mendez. I thought it's a travel. Kita nyo ka. Unsportsmanlike foul called against De Los Santos.
De Los Santos, unsportsmanlike foul. De Los Santos, fourth personal foul.
Pang-apat na foul ni De Los Santos. Missing it. Another carrying the ball violation. May na ako offensive. Di man guro maklaro gud. Mendez almost lost the ball. And a foul call against Balucan.
Balucan. Second personal foul. For Lipa.
2 puntos pa rin ang hinahabol ng Barangay Dao. Torres, nice cut. Extends his arm. Minamalas talaga si Torres this time. Esparraguera to Balucan. Nabitawan pa. Ball stolen now by Mendez. Balucan will defend the ball. Mendez crossover. Anticipated by Kabungkag. Ang pasa na yon. Fast break para kay Esparraguera. Now to Balucan. Balucan scores. Muntikan pang na double dribble si Esparraguera for that play. Good anticipation by Kabungkag. Tied at 60. Now to De Los Santos. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. De Los Santos for 3. No good. Naunang tumalon si Magbanwa. Caritan to Gilyar. Balik kay Caritan. And Caritan scores. Leading the game. Torres for the tie. And is fouled by Balucan. Penalty situation for both teams. Santa Maria trailing now by 2 points. The tables have turned. Torres missing the first throw.
1 minute. 43 seconds.
Substitution. Lapay will check in for Barangay Dao. Magaluid. Another double clutch. Missing it this time. Rebound. What a steal by Lapay. Labas ang bola. Another rebound for Lapay. Nabili ng bola. Ball stolen now by Cabantac. Cabantac to Torres. Good look by Cabantac sa ilalim para kay Torres. Esparraguera to Lapay. Fakes, drives, jumper. Yes, sir! By Lapay. 64 to 63. 1 point lead for Barangay Dao. Mendoza. De Los Santos is double team. Now to Magbanwa. Now to Torres. 13-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Torres. Ayun, kitang-kita ang foul. 37 seconds left in the third quarter, 64-63. Tied at 64. Torres leads the score by 1 point. 1 point. 35 seconds left in the third quarter. Magaluwid to Lapay. To Kabungkag. Bakante for 3. Bang! Kabungkag from the wing side for Barangay Dao as they lead by 2 points. De Los Santos now to Mendez. 10 seconds left in the game clock. Isolation. Mendez. Crossover for the tie and is fouled. Mendez on the line.
Personal foul.
Mendez, second throw. Yes, sir. 1.2 second, Mendez. And that's the end of our third quarter, 67-66. Isang puntos lang ang lamang ng Barangay Dao. What an intense and a nice ball game tonight, mga ka-Asenso. Nakakawala ng antok. Tok, 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 tok. Fourth quarter. Dao up by 1. De Los Santos inside to Pasa. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Pasa to Torres. Mid-range. Easy. Jump shot para kay Torres. Kabungkag to Magaluwid. Another hangs in the air. Basket and a foul for Magaluwid. Paborito yun yung Magaluwid ang ano, mga nagkape sa ere. Mo na magkape sa ere. Magaluwid, another hang time. Caritan now, fakes, fires, short. Isa pa, and there's a foul.
Mendoza. Third personal foul. Shikan Kimpa.
Caritan. Ooh! Hey! What a step there by Caritan. Pass break pass para kay De Los Santos. Off the glass. Easy layup para kay De Los Santos. And De Los Santos ties the game at 70. High scoring game mga ka-Asenso. Kabungkag. Tutura. Balik kay Kabungkag. Magaluid. Ooh, good ball movement for Barangay Dao. Caritan basket at may kasama pang foul. You know, good ball movement for Barangay Dao. Mao ginay forte gyud sa Barangay Dao. Kana bitong mga pasa-pasa bitaw nila nga kuan, especially ang last pass na sa ilalom. No? I've experienced playing these players in Barangay Dao. Eh mao gyud na ilang forte. Lisod kayo dakpo na ilang pasa. Wala pa gani na si Trusio gani, absent si Trusio. De Los Santos with the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. Crossover, De Los Santos. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Ayun, muntikan pang na-travel. Now, Tura has the ball. Traveling violate, a double dribble. Call against Tura. Tura 5 of 6 from downtown, 6 of 7 from the 3-point line. Mendez, ooh, side step, reverse layup is good by Mendez. Good footwork and ball handling there for Mendez. Magaluid, another hang time, bagsak si Magaluid, no foul is called. Gilyar, traveling violation called against Gilyar. Torres with the ball. A chance to take the lead. To De Los Santos. Crossover. Double cross. Side step. De Los Santos is fouled. Sayang, lumagpas. Substitution is Paragera. We'll check in again. Game naman yun. Game. Unsa naman ko? De Los Santos tie the game at 73. Second throw is good. Magaluid hangs in the air again. Missing it this time. De Los Santos with the ball. Ball stolen almost by Esparraguera. Buti na lang andyan si Mendez. De Los Santos all the way. Yes, sir! By De Los Santos. Kabungkag. Bagsak silang dalawa. Kabungkag, second throw. And no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Gilyar with a rebound to Magaluid. Another foul call against Mendoza. Mendoza. Mendoza committing his 5th foul. Magaluid missing the first throw. 2-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the 4th quarter. Second throw. Still missing it. Pasa with the rebound. Now to Torres. Double team. Nakalusot. To Pasa. To Torres. All the way. Torres scores! 4-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Esparraguera with the ball. Crosses over against Magbanua. Sidestep. Good fake by Caritan. Ayun, may foul. Call against Pasa. Huling-huli si Pasa sa fake na yon by Caritan. Penalty situation for Barangay Santa Maria. Traveling violation called against Torres. Frustrated. Giliar stops. Now to Esparraguera. Jumper. Ooh, no good. Caritan with a rebound. Sa ilalim. Yes sir by Caritan. Hustle defense here for Barangay Dao as they trail by 1 point. Mendez. Foul call against Balucan. Kita kayo Balucan. Actually, it's really a foul.
Balucan. Personal foul.
Pang-apat na foul para kay Balucan.
Dao.
Paasa na hinoon. Paasa daw ang isulti. Torres. To De Los Santos for 3. No good. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Ayun, what a nice defensive play for Barangay Santa Maria. Jump ball. Esparraguera, tumagaluwid. Basket and a foul at nagkapipa sa ere para an offensive foul call against Magaluwid. Ayun, kitang-kita ang offensive foul. And Magaluwid will sit down on the game as he committed his 5th foul. Kala ko basket and a foul. Offensive pala yun. Sorry. Sayang, nagkape sa ere si Magaluwid. Torres! Ayun! Basket and a foul! By Torres! 3-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria.
Foul number 12. Tora.
Foul called against Tura. Esparraguera all the way, no good. Caritan with the rebound. Heavy traffic, Caritan scores. Now to De Los Santos. 1 point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. De Los Santos. And no good. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili para sa Barangay Dao. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay. Di mo kung kaya ako maklaro ang sinya sa referee dire kay matabunan magud sila good. Dao will have a chance to take the lead. Balukan hangs in the air. No good. Tinapik ang bola. Ball will go to Barangay Santa Maria. Traveling violation called against Torres. Travel gito. Sige lang. Esparraguera with the ball. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Tura driving. No good. Rebounded now by Mendez. Against 2 defenders. Mendez crossover. Turn around. And missing it. Hustle rebound. Ball will remain in Barangay Santa Maria. Three minutes and 41 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 79-80. Mendez fakes, falls away, short. Caritan with the rebound. Pass break pass para kay Tura. Pumunta sa 3. And missing it. Tura, bagsak si Tura. No foul is called. It was a clean one. Traveling violation called against De Los Santos. $79-80. The crowd is going crazy. Lapay will check in for Barangay Dao. Esparraguera to Lapay. Pinasa sa mukha ni Caritan. Now to De Los Santos against Ramirez. De Los Santos, easy layup. 3-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Esparraguera to Guillar. Block from behind by Magbanwa. Now to Mendez. Passing it to Torres. Hinintay ang bola. Torres balik kay Mendez. Open for 3. Bang! Mendez with a dagger 3 from the wing para sa Barangay Santa Maria as they take the lead with 6 points. With 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Timeout, Barangay Dao. Two minutes and 32 seconds. Corner 3. No good. Mendez with the rebound. Fast break pass para kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos umatake. And De Los Santos scores from that layup. Lapay to Guillar. No good. Another rebound for Barangay Santa Maria. Now to Mendez. 79-87. Last 2 minutes. To Torres. Pasa to De Los Santos. Another offensive foul for De Los Santos. And a player from Barangay Dao selling the foul. De Los Santos committed his 5th foul. Limang players na lang ang natitira for Barangay Santa Maria and still have 1 minute 38 seconds left to go. Kabungkag. Tutura. Gilyar. Fakes. Floater. Off the glass is good for Gilyar. 6-point lead. And a foul against Gilyar. Both teams have no fouls to give. They're all both in penalty situation. Seven-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Kabantak, second throw. And it's good. 8-point lead. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Gilyar, forced shot. No good. Kabantak with a rebound. To Torres. To Pasa. To Mendez. 55 seconds left. Kabantak, wide open for 3. Missing it this time. Rebounded now by Tura. Tura to Gilyar. Bang! Gilyar still catching fire for Barangay Santa Maria with 5-point lead, and we still have 38 seconds left. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Dao. Timeout called by Barangay Dao. They've used their last timeout. And we still have 34 seconds left in the 4th quarter. 5 puntos pa ang hahabulin ng Barangay Dao. Unless if they will give it to Tura, at kung suswertehin si Tura with all his sniping, maybe there will be a miracle. Good defense for Barangay. Tura, long 3. Muntika na yun Kabantak with the rebound and he's fouled by Lapay. Matay na kusog-kusugan to. And Kabantak. Kabantak sealing the game tonight from that free throw. Gilyar short. Lapay with that follow. Still shot won't go. Lapay with a final shot. Ayaw pa rin. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Santa Maria. And they smell their victory tonight. Grabe, 7 players lang. Tiaw mo na, 7 ra ka player. Wagay ni reklamo. Gilyar. Passing it to Kabantak. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso. Congratulations to Barangay Santa Maria. What a turn of events tonight. This has been your commentator, Gab. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga ka-Asenso.